My name's Morgan, and I'm gonna sing a made-up song. The reason why I'm singing this is just a surprise. I was meant to be singing this on his birthday. I was meant to be singing it on his birthday, which is the 8th of August, because sadly he's in heaven now. He's about 2 now, and I'm gonna sing a song for him that I made up. Okay, here we go. There's an angel in the sky, and I don't know where to lie. There's a boy up there, and I don't think I know him. Even if I didn't get to see him, it doesn't mean I didn't love him as much as you were. Oh no. Even if I didn't know him, I still think about him every day. And I'm like, oh, I'm heartbroken. Can't you tell by my face? Can't you tell by the way I'm walking down the street? Yeah, I'm heartbroken. Do you need me to stay? Do you want me to go? Ooh, yeah. I'm heartbroken. Did you need me to stay? Did you want me to stay? Oh yeah, I'm heartbroken. Do you want me to go away and stay? Oh, sometimes you find it easy, but others find it the opposite. And whenever I look up into the sky, you stare at me. And when I'm doing something wrong, you always make it better by staying here with me. Oh, I say, oh, I love you. I need you. I love you, and I feel if you're going, if you're going to come back right now. Thank you. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. I'm only young. Thank you.